Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our videos. In today's video, we'll be discussing the best time of the day to take vitamins. We all know that vitamins and minerals are essential for maintaining good health, but did you know that the timing of when you take them can impact their effectiveness? So, let's get started. Vitamins are essential nutrients that the body needs to function properly. They play a vital role in many bodily processes, including growth, energy production, and immune function. While it's important to get vitamins through a healthy diet, many people also take vitamin supplements to ensure they are getting enough of these nutrients. One question that often arises is, what is the best time of day to take vitamins? The answer can vary depending on the type of vitamin and the individual's needs. In this video, we'll explore the best time to take some of the most commonly taken vitamins. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin that acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. It's also important for immune function and the production of collagen, a protein that is essential for healthy skin, bones, and tissues. The best time to take vitamin C is in the morning with breakfast. This can help boost energy levels and aid in absorption. Additionally, taking vitamin C in the morning can help prevent potential gastrointestinal side effects that can occur when taking high doses of vitamin C on an empty stomach. B vitamins. The B vitamins are a group of water-soluble vitamins that play a vital role in energy production and the maintenance of a healthy nervous system. They include thiamine, B1, riboflavin, B2, niacin, B3, pantothenic acid, B5, pyridoxine, B6, biotin, B7, folate, B9, and cobalamin, B12. The best time to take B vitamins is in the morning with breakfast. B vitamins are important for energy production, so taking them in the morning can help boost energy levels throughout the day. Additionally, taking B vitamins on an empty stomach can sometimes cause nausea, so it's best to take them with food. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin that plays a role in vision, immune function, and the health of the skin and mucous membranes. It's also important for growth and development. The best time to take vitamin A is with a meal that contains fat. Like other fat-soluble vitamins, vitamin A is better absorbed when taken with fat. Additionally, taking vitamin A with a meal can help prevent potential gastrointestinal side effects. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin that is important for bone health, immune function, and the absorption of calcium and phosphorus. The body can produce vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, but many people do not get enough sun exposure and need to get vitamin D from their diet or supplements. The best time to take vitamin D can vary depending on the individual's needs. Some studies suggest that taking vitamin D in the morning with breakfast can help boost energy levels and improve mood. However, other studies suggest that taking vitamin D at night can help improve sleep quality. Ultimately, the best time to take vitamin D depends on the individual's preferences and needs. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin that functions as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. It's also important for immune function and may play a role in heart health. The best time to take vitamin E is with a meal that contains fat. Like vitamin A, vitamin E is better absorbed when taken with fat. Additionally, taking vitamin E with a meal can help prevent potential gastrointestinal side effects. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone health. There are two main forms of vitamin K, vitamin K1, which is found in leafy green vegetables, and vitamin K2, which is produced by bacteria in the gut. The best time to take vitamin K can vary depending on the individual's needs. If someone is taking a vitamin K supplement, it's best to take it with a meal that contains fat to aid in absorption. However, if someone is getting enough vitamin K from their diet, they may not need to take a supplement at all. Iron. Iron is an essential mineral that plays a role in the production of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. Iron deficiency is common, especially in women and vegetarians. That's all for today's video on the best time of the day to take vitamins. We hope you found this information helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which vitamins you take and when you take them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.